my friends. This is Clem, B&B Relic Hunters. We're out with, that's Madison, Maine over there, field. And we got some more people up that way. And my first find of the day with the Picoro is a dog tag. Not too old, 2013, but we'll take it.
Lane that went down here from the back of the barn, there was a wall on both sides. They put the wall that's down
Okay, second good find is came in as solid nickel, 53. Looks like a button, not a button. Flat button, no shank, shankless. Flat button, that looks like. Get the star in the back. Yeah, cool. We'll take it. Yeah, what?
I'm just here to record to let you know that those things on the top of your hat.
Yeah? You found one?
I didn't, Chuck did.
Oh, he did?
First one.
Where did he find it, up there?
I could tell you.
I mean, you gotta tell me.
Because then you go look.
No.
It's a secret.
Oh, jeez. You sure you didn't find the one that fell off my hat?
No. I looked at it. It says 1 cent. I can't tell.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Cool.
First one he's ever found.
All right.
So I just wanted to get your reaction.
Put it on Chuck.
Hey, Chuck!
Hey, Chuck. Good job.
T-Bag's going out to the woods.
Hey, just want to show you guys a beautiful view here. Turned out to be a nice afternoon. It's in the 60s, light wind. And we have Torrell right there. And lost sight of the other ones. They must have been gone to the other places. I might be taking a walk down there. That's where I found my flip coin. Okay, we have a squeaker here. I'll see. You can see the numbers. $79.80 right there. $79.80. Okay, I see roundage in there. And that would be nice if that was a Indian head right there, but I think I see the side view of Lincoln there. Let's see where it is. Yeah, it's a Lincoln. Is it a monument? What the hell is it? It's a Lincoln, I know that. I don't know, I think it's a Wheatie. Yeah, it's my first Wheatie of the year right there. Okay. Steve said he found something. His amazing find.
First awesome find.
First awesome find. What's that? Bracket.
Bump stop of some sort.
Uh-huh. Yeah, buckle, yeah. Yeah, I found one behind a buckle, yeah. Oh, he's going into the box, folks. He's going into the box. And on your foil. Oh, he's got it on the wraps. Oh, he's got a largie, folks.
It's old.
No, that's a button, right? Oh! Boy, that is thin there. It is a largie, and it's got a hole in it. Your first hole largie. Oh, wait a minute.
Can you make out what it is yet?
Oh, but it's freaking over that thin.
I think it's a British coin.
Cool. Where'd you get that, down here?
By the lilac bush.
What lily?
One next to the house.
Oh, really? Cool.
Yeah. I wanted to look for an Indian head. Figured by the house it would find it.
Is that the only coin so far?
It's my only, well, no, I found a regular penny.
Yeah, I found a Wheatie.
But,
Well, that's good. Okay, this is Madison. Got a nice button here.
well, you don't know that. I'm just telling
Well, you said you had a nice button.
you. A nice one.
Yeah, oh, it's got the fancy design on it. Got a shankage on it?
You're shankless.
It's not the
It's there.
Yeah, but
It's just mashed down.
It's just limp.
It's right
it's just
there.
limp.
I got a limp shank.
Yeah. That's good. All I found so far is a dog tag. That's about it.
My excitement was a throat pull.
A what?
A throat pull.
Breast or yeah, that's all right.
That's all I got so far.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I don't know where everybody went. Got one way down there. I don't know where Madison went, but oh, he's right behind me over there. But I found this, looks like a horse tag. There's a thin buckle. We'll take it.
Water from the windmill up to that. The other place where there might be starts over on Dave Murphy's.
I know. I want to go ask him.
Yeah, you gotta go see him. I don't think he can. He bothers me.
Right in front of his house, they'll see it, right?
Huh?
Right in front of his house was the old house, right?
Well, across the road.
Across the road.
Yeah.
Holy shit! I think I just found the best little relic over here. The guys were just here. This is where I found that flip coin next to this tractor graveyard. And I just came over here and this thing sounded like, oh, a solid nickel and stuff. Look at this. It's a buckle. Now look, it says US on it. This thing is heavy. Oh my God. Look, it says US on it. Holy shit. But hey, I'll take that. That's a first for me. And it says US on it. I'll take it. But this is heavy. Heavy stuff. Man. Oh, I gotta wash that up. I gotta wash that. Yeah? Why, does it have an eagle on it or something? I got something I want to ask you too. I didn't tell my son yet because I'm not sure yet what it is. But I think it's pretty good.
Remember that button I showed you?
Yeah?
Good
What
old
else?
the Maine
Stars.
militia, right?
Yeah, might be.
My dandy, my rivet, my other plain flat button.
Yeah, now I got a question to ask you.
Okay.
I
What'd you
think
get?
I know what it is. Right.
You get today? Oh! Belt plate. You dig that today?
Yeah.
Wow.
That good, huh?
That is good. Is that? Yeah, that's the belt plate. That's not the.
That's
That's
right.
not the box plate.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, because the box plate would be different. It wouldn't have the.
Right, that's what I thought it was. Hey, Chuck! 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 Yeah. Kelly! Kelly! Tell Kelly come here. Come here. Hello?
You got a tick hanging out with you?
No, I had to go. I asked Madison, is this what I think it is? He said, holy shit. So, it's good.
Always had something. Because I found a coin before him and
I think this will make the relic find of the day, I think. This?
Where's Richie?
No, I already showed it to him.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, he was, look at that.
Oh! No way! Oh my! That is beautiful. Oh, wow! Jeez.
They still got the hook.
There you go.
Thank you, sir.
Wow.
I couldn't believe that when I dug that up, like, right where you were.
No way.
About 5 feet over to the right. You gotta show that to your dad.
Yeah. Oh, that's sweet.
Okay, so I want to be the first to say.
Yeah.
We suck. No, maybe that is.
Yeah, you're only
Yeah, that's heavy, yeah.
You're only saying what we're all thinking.
Oh,
the tabs are still on.
Yeah, yeah.
My fault.
Okay, we're at the spot where I found that US buckle. We have Chuck and Kelly over there coming this way. have Madison, Steve, and James right there. Oh, did you find something, Steve? Oh. Got a bell. Oh! Quarter bell. Conestoga. Holy crap, that's a good one. That's even better. By now, it's probably all gone by now. Steve's trying to check out his date on his coin there.
But they've got a stone. They got a stone down the cemetery now, but it's in memory of. So I think they put it in because he was 1812 veteran.
Now don't forget, they used to do that by hand in the old days. There was no machines back then. Okay. The head, yeah.
We found the dog tags.
No, that's oh, I did.
It's dog tags. Well, you can say it's not.
Well, yeah, it's dog tag.
Okay, it's not the good kind.
Not the good kind, no.
That's not. That your dime? No, that's a wee penny.
Yeah.
Yeah, you suck.
Okay, who's gonna go first? Who does the axe heads belong to?
That'd be James
James. What'd you find though?
in the field.
The horseshoe over there too? The buckle?
Yep.
The knife? Oh, ox shoe. I got ox shoe up here somewhere.
Chuck got it first.
Chalk got it first. You get a wheat penny. And a wheatie.
You got the.
He's got a coral bell his first.
Did you find this too?
And an ox knob
Yeah.
his
I haven't
first.
found one of those yet.
And a musket ball. He's got a lot of firsts going on here there. Chucky does.
Good day.
And this is a stinking Lincoln. Oh,
No,
whose is this?
That's mine. That's the drawer pull I found.
Steve's drop hole. What else did you find, Steve?
Found 2 largies.
2 lodges for Steve. A part of a hay rake.
Hay rake, spoon,
Spoon.
and a buckle.
Buckle. And I got this thingamajiggy. Looks like a draw pole maybe. Ox shoe, wheatie, button, dog tag, and the US buckle.
It's a US buckle. Where's the US buckle?
Oh, we already. I'm gonna fit those later.
You don't want to put it next to our stuff?
Well, no, I don't like to
Too
brag.
good.
I don't like to brag.
Yeah, you do.